I, returning officer for the Outer Manipur ST parliamentary constituency in the state of Manipur, hereby certify that I have on the 4th day of June 2024 declared Sri Alfred S.Arthur of Sansak ANPS Sansak Piolitan Ukhrul District Manipur by Indian National Congress to have been duly elected by the said constituency in the general election to be a member of the House of the People, and that token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election. Congratulations once again.
사라 손에서 우다고 뒤로서 날려서 갑자기 저라 거의 좀 여호르게 만인데 잘 떠요.
Kilang. Nan so.
Sharan.
John expect now that 50,000 kayakha every month my kayakha they get not key.
전에 장갑 꾸꾸내다.
Honorable member Hairawali. We have a total procedure to very coming for final vote की जनों दिन को
पैदल चली क्या? पैदल चली दो.
85 something.
3,84,954. And Pierna 2,99,536.
अंदर के लिए सुनिए मार्जिन
That's probably arba.
Yeah.
ज़्यादा काफी भाग.
Dilido is the you can have a ishiwui. ishiwui figure. Yeah,
Assembly segment wise
assembly segment.
polling wise.
Polling wise is only not to be completely
Polling wise
Kira Jim Sanse, segment
President the party officer like me. Mami, eu conheço.
Bakit lang ang kawain daw yan?
All the more so I have known him since 1986-87. this year, in our competition, I'm still never youth की competition जान के हम सिर्फ बने होता है मतलब कोई ना कोई participate कोई ना कोई जाओ और तब भी तो खड़ना नहीं डेली रोज आप नहीं Kapal busy, ina na final serial number
experience भी काम आपको भी कोई ना बोल सकते हैं नहीं है ना बोल इसी को नहीं बात है
sentar voy a sentar
Yo.